Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. Right after Bakr we all get into barbecue spirit, so I thought to share an amazing and authentic recipe. Today I am sharing recipe for Bihari kabab. This doesn't need any fancy ingredients, but it is authentic and it turns out delicious. I made this on a potluck this Eid and everybody enjoyed it. So without further ado, let's go and make it happen. So let's start a recipe. Bismillah. For Bihari kebab we need pasande. You can use regular pasande, that's what I'm using right now, but if you have the facility available, ask the butcher to give you the meat part, which is called mukaddam. This will give you a very meaty and delicious Bihari kebab. In a fry pan I am frying some red button chilies until they get nice crispy from top, transferring these fried button chilies into a blender jug with some desiccated coconut, hush hush, poppy seeds, and sesame seeds, regular safed til, and then just blending and mixing them until with a little bit of water until you have a fine pasty texture like so. Then taking our meat back, a meat is already washed and dried completely, adding this pre-made paste with some freshly minced garlic and ginger and some raw papaya paste. Now in terms of seasoning, I am adding tandoori masala. I already shared the recipe for tandoori masala. You can use that or use any other brand tandoori masala with some salt, garam masala powder, and roasted and crushed cumin. Now we need to add some chickpea flour. I didn't have that, so I am just roasting some gram flour basin and adding that with some yogurt. Now we need to add oil. You can use the oil which we just used to fry red chilies, or the authentic Bihari kebab calls for mustard oil, so you can add that as well, and put this in the fridge and marinate for at least overnight. Next day when I'm ready to barbecue, you can take the regular skewers. Today I'm using wooden skewers. I pre-soak them and threading these pasande Bihari kebab into my wooden skewers. So I put the kebab in there and then just threading it upside down like we usually stitch the cloth. That's what we are doing here right now. So just pick up the pasanda, just poke it from top, then to underneath, and then that's how I will use all the meat and thread them onto the skewers. And now I'm grilling them onto outdoor grill. You can fry them, you can put them in the cook it in a regular pot, or you can bake them as well. In the end I just brush it with some oil, with some butter. You can add oil as well, and then that's how, yeah, Bihari kebab is ready to serve. The marination is the key. Just marinate for like at least a day or two are good too, and then serve it with some sliced onion, chutney, raita. Eat it with some paratha or however your family enjoys. And if you are trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.